राम राम सर। आज हम EMRS हॉस्टल वार्डन एग्ज़ाम 2025 के लिए नॉलेज ऑफ ICT का अपना चैप्टर है इंटरनेट एंड इट्स सर्विसेज। ये हमारे टॉपिक में है। तो आज अपन इस टॉपिक के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, इंटरनेट एंड इट्स सर्विस के बारे में। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आवे, कंटेंट पसंद आवे तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। मैं आपको इसी चैनल पर हॉस्टल वार्डन से रिलेटेड सारे स्टडी मटेरियल प्रोवाइड करवाऊंगा, जो आप रिवीजन पर्पस के लिए हेडफोन लगाकर यूज कर सकते हैं। तो लेट्स शुरू करते हैं। इंटरनेट एंड इट्स सर्विसेज। द इंटरनेट हैज गेन्ड पॉपुलैरिटी एंड इमर्ज्ड as an important and efficient means of communication. The idea of introducing the internet was to allow millions of people to share information and ideas, sound, video clips using their computers across the world. The internet is a worldwide network of networked computers. Those are able to exchange information with each other. Let's talk about internet. Internet stands for International Network, which began in 1950s by Vint Cerf, known as the father of internet. Internet is a network of networks that consists millions of private and public networks of local to global scope. Basically, network is a group of two or more computer systems linked together. History of Internet. In 1969, the University of California at Los Angeles, the University of Utah were connected as the beginning of the ARPANET, AirPanet, यानी Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, using 50 kbits circuits. It was the world's first operational packet switching network. The goal of this project was to connect computers at different universities and US defense. In mid-80s, another federal agency, the National Science Foundation, created a new high-capacity network called NSF, NSFNet, NSFNet, which was more capable than ARPANET. The only drawbacks of NSFNet was that it allowed only the academic research on its network and not any kind of private business on it. So private organizations and people started working to build their own networks, which were later interconnected with ARPANET and NSFNet to form the Internet. Advantages of the Internet. The advantages of the Internet are as follows. First, allows you to easily communicate with other people. Second, global reach enables one to connect anyone on the internet. Third, publishing documents on the internet saves paper. Fourth, a valuable resource for companies to advertise and conduct business. Fifth, greater access to information reduces research times. Now let's talk about disadvantages of the internet. The disadvantages of the internet are as follows. First, it is a major source of computer viruses. Second, messages sent across the internet can be easily intercepted and are open to abuse by others. Third, much of the information is not checked and may be incorrect or irrelevant. Fourth, unsuitable and undesirable material available that sometimes are used by notorious people such as terrorists. Fifth, cyber frauds may take place involving credit, debit card numbers and details. And now let's talk about internet connections. Bandwidth and cost are the two factors that help you in deciding which internet connection is to use. The speed of internet access depends on the bandwidth. Some of the internet connections available for internet access are as follows. Dial-up connection. Dial-up is a method of connecting to the internet using an existing telephone. Dial-up connection uses the telephone line to connect to the internet. When a user initiates a dial-up connection, the modem dials a phone number of an internet service provider (ISP) that is designated to receive dial-up calls. The internet service provider then establishes the connection, which usually takes about 10 seconds and is accompanied by several beeping and buzzing sounds. Bro- Now let's talk about broadband connection. The term broadband commonly refers to high speed internet access that is always on and faster than the traditional dial up access. It uses a telephone line to connect to the internet. Broadband access allows users to connect to the internet at a greater speed than a standard 256 kb modem or dial-up access. Broadband includes several high-speed transmission technologies such as follows. First, digital subscriber line (DSL). It is a popular broadband connection. It provides internet access by transmitting digital data over the wires of a local telephone network. DSL is the most common type of broadband service. It uses the existing copper telephone lines. Second, cable modem. This service enables cable operators to provide broadband using the same coaxial cables that deliver pictures and sound to your TV set. Most cable modems are external devices that have two connections, one to the cable wall outlet and the other to a computer. They provide a transmission speed of 1.5 MB per second or more. Third, broadband over power line (BPL). BPL is the delivery of broadband over the existing low and medium voltage electric power distribution network. BPL is good for areas where there are no other broadband connections, but power infrastructures exist, for example, rural areas. Wireless connection. Wireless broadband connects a home or business to the internet using a radio link between the customer's location and the service provider's facility. Wireless broadband can be mobile or fixed. Unlike DSL and cable, wireless broadband requires neither a modem nor cables. It can be easily established in areas where it is not feasible to deploy DSL or cable. Some ways to connect the internet wireless are as follows. First, wireless fidelity Wi-Fi. It is a universal wireless networking technology that utilizes radio frequencies to transfer data. Wi-Fi allows high-speed internet connections without the use of cables or wires. Wi-Fi networks can be used for public internet access at hotspots such as restaurants, coffee shops, hotels, airports, convention centers, and city parks. Second, worldwide interoperability for microwave access. WiMAX. It is one of the hottest broadband wireless technologies around today. WiMAX systems are expected to deliver broadband access services to residential and enterprise customers in an economical way. WiMAX has the ability to provide service even in areas that are difficult for wired infrastructure to reach, and the ability to overcome the physical limitations of traditional wired infrastructure. Third, mobile wireless broadband services. These services are also becoming available from mobile telephone service providers and others. These services are generally appropriate for mobile customers and require a special PC card with a built-in antenna that plugs into a user's computer. Generally, they provide lower speeds in the range of several hundreds kilobyte per second. Intranet is a private network for internet tools, but available within an organization. In a large organization, intranet allows an easy access to corporate information or employees. Extranet यानी is a private network that uses the internet protocol and the public telecommunication system to security share part of business information. Next, podcast. Podcast is a program, either talk numeric, that is made available in a digital format or automatic download over the internet. Interconnecting protocols. A protocol is a set of rules that govern data communications. A protocol defines what is communicated, how it is communicated, and when it is communicated. Generally, some of protocols used to communicate via an internet are as follows. First, transmission control protocol, internet protocol, TCP or and IP. The details of a TCP and IP internet protocol are as follows. First, transmission protocol, transmission control protocol, TCP. It provides reliable transport service. For example, it ensures that message sent from sender to receiver is properly routed. TCP यानी transmission control protocol converts messages into a set of packets at the source, which are then reassembled back into messages at the destination. B. Internet Protocol IP. It allows different computers to communicate by creating a network of networks. IP Internet Protocol handles the dispatch of packets over the network. It maintains the addressing of packets with multiple standards. Each internet protocol packet must contain the source and the destination addresses. Note: an internet protocol address is a 32-bit number. Second, file transfer protocol, FTP यानी file transfer protocol. It can transfer files between any computers that have an internet connection and also works between computers using totally different operating systems. Some examples of FTP software are FileZilla, Casablanca, GFTP, Conqueror, etc. Third, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, HTTP. HTTP defines how messages are formatted and transmitted and what actions should be taken by the web servers and borrowers in response to various commands. Text Markup Language, HTML. It is used for designing web pages. A markup language is a set of markup angular bracket less than, greater than tags, which tells the web browser how to display web pages, words, and images for the user. Each individual markup code is referred to as an element to tag. Next, fourth, Telnet protocol. Telnet is a program that runs on the computer and connects a PC to a server on the network. The protocol used on the internet or local area network. Telnet session will started by entering valid username and password. Fifth, Usenet protocol. The Usenet service allows a group of internet users to exchange their views, ideas, and information on some common topic that is of internet interest to all the members belonging to that same group. Several such groups exist on the internet are called news groups. Usenet has no central server or administration. Sixth, point-to-point protocol (PPP). PPP is a dial account which puts your computer directly on the internet. A modem is required for such connection, which transmits the data 9600 bits per second. Next, seventh, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol (SMTP). It is the standard protocol for email services on a TCP and IP network. It provides the ability to send and receive email message. Next, eighth, Wireless Application Protocol (WAP). A WAP browser is a commonly used web browser for small mobile devices such as cell phones. Ninth, Voice over Internet Protocol (VoIP). It allows delivery of voice communication over IP Internet Protocol networks, for example, IP calls. Terms related to Internet. World Wide Web (WWW). WWW World Wide Web was introduced in 13th March 1989, and the World Wide Web is a system of internet servers that supports hypertext and multimedia to access several internet protocols on a single interface. The World Wide Web is often abbreviated as the Web or WWW. The World Wide Web is a way of exchanging information between computers on the internet. Next, web page. Web page यानी the backbone of the World Wide Web is made of files called pages or web pages containing information and links to resources, both text and multimedia. Throughout the internet, it is created using HTML. There are basically two main types of web page as static and dynamic. The main or first page of a website is known as home page. Next, website. Next topic, website. A group of web pages that follows the same theme and are connected together with hyperlinks is called website. In other words, a website is a collection of digital documents, primarily HTML files that are linked together and that exist on the web under the same domain. For example, HTTP www.carwale.com is a website, while HTTP www.carwale.com/new is a web page. Next topic, web browser. It is a software application that is used to locate, retrieve, and also display content on the World Wide Web, including web pages. Web browsers are programs used to explore the internet. We can install more than one web browser on a single On a single computer, the user can navigate through files, folders, and websites with the help of a browser. There are two types of web browsers as follows. First, text web browser, a web browser that displays only text-based information is known as a text web browser. For example, Linux, which provides access to the internet in the text mode only. Second, graphical web browser, a web browser that supports both text and graphic information is known as a graphical web browser. For example, Internet Explorer, Firefox, Netscape, Safari, Google Chrome, and Opera. Note: the first graphical web browser was INCSA Mosaic web server. Now let's talk about web server. The web browser is a client that requests HTML files from web servers. The server computer will deliver those web pages to the computers that request them, and may also do other processing with the web pages. Every web server that is connected to the internet is given a unique address. For example, IP address made up of a series of four numbers between 0 to 255 separated by periods. For example, Apache HTTP server, Internet Information Services IIS, or Light TPD, etc. Next, web address and URL. A web address identifies the location of a specific web page on the internet, such as http /www.learnyoga.com on the web. Web addresses are called URLs. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. It is the web address for a website or a web page. Tim Berners-Lee created the first URL in 1991 to allow the publishing of hyperlinks on the World Wide Web. For example, http www.google.com/services/index.htm. HTTP is equal to protocol identifier. www is equal to World Wide Web. Google.com is equal to domain name. Services is equal to directory. Index.htm is equal to web page. Next, domain name. Domain is a group of network resources assigned to a group of users. A domain name is a way to identify and locate computers connected to the internet. A domain name must be unique. It always have two or more parts separated by period /dot. For example, google.com, yahoo.com, etc. A domain abbreviation. Domains are organized by the type of organizations and by country. A three-letter abbreviation indicating the organization, and usually two-letter abbreviation indicating the country name. Most common domain abbreviation for organization are as follows. .info यानी informational organization. .com यानी commercial. .gov gov यानी गवर्नमेंट. .edu यानी एजुकेशनल. .mil यानी मिलिट्री. .net यानी नेटवर्क रिसोर्सेज. .org यानी नॉन प्रॉफिट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. Some domain abbreviation for country are as follows. .in यानी इंडिया. .au यानी ऑस्ट्रेलिया. .fr यानी फ्रांस. .nz यानी न्यूजीलैंड. .uk यानी यूनाइटेड किंगडम. Domain name systems DNS. DNS stores and associates many types of information with domain names, but most Importantly, it translates domain names, computers, host names to IP addresses. It also lists mail exchange servers accepting email for each domain. DNS is an essential component of contemporary internet use. Next, blogs. A blog is a website or web page in which an individual records opinions, links to other sites on a regular basis. A typical blog combines text, images, and links to other blogs, web pages, and other media related to its topic. Most blogs are primarily textual, although some focus on art, photographs, videos, music, and audio. These blogs are referred to as edu blogs. The entries of a blog is also known as a posters, news group, news groups, an area on a computer network, especially the internet, devoted to the discussion of a specified topic is known as a news group. Online discussions Online discussion group that allows interaction through electronic bulletin board system and chat sessions. Search engine. It is a website that provides the required data on specific topics. Search engine turn the web into a powerful tool for finding information on any topic. When a search engine returns the links to web pages corresponding to the keywords entered is called a hit, otherwise called a miss. Many search engines also have directories or lists of topics that are organized into categories. Browsing these directories is also a very efficient way to find information on a given topic. Here are some of the most popular search engines. Google, http www.google.com, Alta Vista, www.altavista.com, Yahoo, www.yahoo.com, Hotbot, www.hotbot.com, Lycos, and www.lycos.com, Excite, www.excite.com, Web crawler, www.webcrawler.com. Services of internet. An internet user can access to a wide variety of services such as electronic mail, file transfer, interest group membership, multimedia displays, real-time broadcasting, shopping, etc. Some of the important services provided by the internet are briefed in the following sections. Chatting. It is the online textual or multimedia conversation. It is widely interactive text-based communication process that takes place over the internet. Chatting, for example, a virtual means of communication that involves the sending and receiving of messages, share audio and video between users located in any part of the world. For example, Skype, Yahoo, Messenger, etc. Next, email, electronic mail. Email is an electronic version of sending and receiving letter. Electronic mail lets you send and receive messages in electronic form. Email is transmitted between computer systems which exchange messages or pass them on to other sites according to certain internet protocols or rules. For exchanging email, to use email, a user must have an email address. Emoticons or emotions and smileys are used in an email to express emotions or feelings clearly. Storage area for email messages is called mailbox. email addresses consist of two parts separated by earth red symbol. The first part is user name and the second part is host name, domain name. However, spaces are not allowed within the email address. For example, Arihant books earthred@gmail.com. Here, Arihant books is a username and gmail.com is a host name. Next, video conferencing. It is a communication technology that integrates video and audio to connect users anywhere in the world as if they were in the same room. And this term usually refers to communication between three or more users who are in at least two locations. Each user or group of users who are participating in a video conferencing typically must have a computer, a camera, a microphone, a video screen, and a sound system. Next, e-learning. E-learning, electronic learning, refers to the electronic mode of delivering learning, training, or educational programs to users. It is the mode of acquiring knowledge by means of the internet and computer based training programs. Next, e-banking. E-banking यानी electronic banking is also known as internet banking or online banking. E-banking means any user with a personal computer and a browser can get connected to his bank's website or perform any of the virtual banking functions. All the services that the bank has permitted on the internet are displayed in menu. Next, e-shopping. E-shopping and electronic shopping or online shopping is the process of buying goods and services from merchants who sell on the internet. Books, clothing, household appliances, toys, hardware, software, and health insurance are just some of the hundreds of products consumers can buy from an online store. Some e-shopping sites are Naptol, Flipkart, Yabi, Home Shop, 18, etc. Next, e-reservation. E-reservation, electronic reservation means making a reservation for a service via internet. You need not personally go to an office or a counter to book, reserve railways, airways, tickets, hotel rooms, tourist packages, etc. Examples of e-reservation sites are as follows. First, www.irctc.com. Second, www.makemytrip.com. And third, www.yatra.com. Fourth, www.bookingsite.com. Social networking. It is the use of internet-based social media programs to make connections with friends, family, classmates, customers, clients, etc. It can occur for social purposes, business purposes, or both. Social networking has grown to become one of the largest and most influential components of the web. The most popular social networking sites are Facebook, MySpace, Orkut, etc. Not Facebook was developed by Mark Zuckerberg. Next, e-commerce. E-commerce यानी electronic commerce includes sharing business information, maintaining business relationship, and conducting business transactions by means of telecommunication networks or process of trading goods over the internet. Electronic data interchange (EDI) is the electronic transfer of a business transaction between sender or receiver computer. Not e-trading is the process of trading the goods and items over the internet. Next, e-commerce. E-commerce यानी mobile commerce provides the application for buying and selling goods or services through wireless internet enabled handheld devices. It involves new technologies, services, and business models. Note: mobile commerce was launched in 1997 by Kevin Dupe. Next, tidbits यानी cluster यानी cluster is a group of servers that share work and may be able to back each other up in one server files. With the web mail interface, emails are accessible from anywhere in the world. Next, rich text formatting helps the sender of email format the contents of his or email messages by applying font size, bold, italic, etc. Cookie. Cookie is a small message given to a web browser by a web server. It stores information about the user's web activity. Bookmarks यानी bookmarks are links to web pages that makes it easily to get back to your favorite places. Now let's talk about a question bank. Question first: the vast network of computers that connects billions of people all over the world is called first LAN, second web, third hypertext, fourth internet. The correct answer is fourth internet. Next, the internet is a system of first software bundles, second web page, third website, fourth interconnected networks. The correct answer is fourth interconnected networks. Next, the internet is first a large network of networks, second an internal communication system for a business, third a communication system for the Indian government, fourth all of the above. The correct answer is fourth all of the above. Next, the internet allows you to first send electronic mail, second view web pages, third connect to servers all around the world, fifth all of the above. The correct answer is fourth all of the above. Next question: which of the following is an example of a connectivity? First internet, second floppy disk, third power code, fourth data. The correct answer is first internet. Next question: internet was developed in the first 1950s, second 1960s, third 1970s, fourth 1980s, fifth 1990s. The correct answer is first 1950s. Next, which of the following is not a type of broadband internet connection? First cable, second DSL, third dial-up, fourth BPL. The correct answer is third dial-up. Next, what does the acronym ISP stands for? First internal service provider, second international service provider, third internet service provider, fourth internet service providing, and fifth internet service provision. The correct answer is third internet service provider. Next question: your business has contracted with another company to have them host and run an application for your company over the internet. The company providing this service to your business is called an first internet service provider, second internet access provider, third application service provider, fourth application access provider. The correct answer is first internet service provider. Next question: DSL is an example of which connection? First network, second wireless, third slow, fourth broadband. The correct answer is broadband. Next, DAS networks can be used for public internet access at hotspots such as restaurants, coffee shops, etc. First Wi-Fi, second WiMAX, third DSL, fourth BPL. The correct answer is first Wi-Fi. Next, a program either talk numeric that is made available in a digital format for automatic download over the internet is called DAS. First vodcast, second blog, third podcast, fourth Wi-Fi, fifth broadcast. The correct answer is third podcast. Next question: a protocol is a set of rules that consist of first TCD IT, second TCP IP, third TCP IT, fourth TCT IP. The correct answer is second TCP IP. Next question. The standard protocol of the internet is first TCP IP, second Java, third HTML, fourth Place, fifth none of these. The correct answer is first TCP IP. Next, in computing, IP address means first international pin, second internet protocol, third invalid pin, fourth insert pin. The correct answer is second internet protocol. Next, each IP packet must contain first only source address, second only destination address, third source and destination addresses, fourth source or destination address, fifth none of the above. The correct answer is third source and destination addresses. Next, IP v4 address is or an IP address is dash bit number, first 8 bit, second 16 bit, third 32 bit, fourth 64 bit. The correct answer is third 32 bit. Next, FTP can transfer files between any computers that have an internet connection. Here FTP stands for first file transfer protocol, second fast text processing, and third file transmission program, fourth fast transmission processor. The correct answer is first file transfer protocol. And next question, which of the following is the communication protocol that sets the standard used by every computer that access web-based information? First XML, second DML, third HTTP, fourth HTML, and fifth none of these. The correct answer is third HTTP. Next, what is the full form of HTTP? First, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, second, Hypertext Transition Protocol, third, Hypertext Transfer Protocol, fourth, Hypertext Transition Program, fifth, Hypertext Travel Protocol. The correct answer is first, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Next question, an HTTP request contains dash parts, first, second, fifth, third, fourth, fifth, second. The correct answer is third, yani three parts. An HTTP request contains 3 parts. Next question, documents converted to dash can be published to the web. First, a doc file, second, HTTP, third, other than those given as options, fourth, machine language, fifth, HTML. The correct answer is fifth, HTML. Next, documents converted to dash can be published on the web. First, doc file, second, HTTP, third, machine language, fourth, HTML. The correct answer is fourth. The correct answer is fourth, HTML. Next question, HTML is used for designing web pages. Here HTML stands for or the web uses the dash to request and serve web pages and programs. First, high transfer machine language, second, high transmission markup language, third, hypertext markup language, fourth, hypertransfer markup language. The correct answer is third, hypertext markup language. Next question, which of the following is required to create an HTML document? First, browser, second, internet, third, a text editor, fourth, search engine, fifth, none of these. The correct answer is third, text editor. Next question, in HTML, tags consist of keywords enclosed within. First, flower brackets, second, angular brackets less than or greater than, third, parenthesis small bracket, fourth, square brackets any big bracket. The correct answer is second, angular brackets. Next, telnet is a First search engine, second browser, third protocol, fourth gateway. The correct answer is third protocol. Next, telnet is a dash based computer protocol. First sound, second text, third image, fourth animation, fourth animation, and fifth digits. The correct answer is second text. Next, through dash an administration or another user can access someone else's computer remotely. First administrator, second web server, third web application, fourth HTTP, and fifth telnet. The correct answer is fifth telnet. Next question. The dash service allows a group of internet users to exchange their views on some common topic. First niche net, second milnet, third telnet, fourth usenet. The correct answer is fourth usenet. Next, which protocol provides email facility among different hosts? First SMTP, second FTP, third telnet, fifth SNMP, fifth none of these. The correct answer is first SMTP. Next, what is the full form of VoIP? First, voice of internet power, second voice over internet protocol, third voice on internet protocol, and fourth very optimized internet protocol. The correct answer is second voice over internet protocol. Next, the internet service that provides a multimedia interface to available resources is called first FTP, second World Wide Web, third telnet, fourth Gopher. The correct answer is second World Wide Web. Next, www stands for first World Wide Wizard, second World Wide Web, third World Wide Wonder, fourth Wide World Web, and fifth none of these. The correct answer is second World Wide Web. Next question. The dash usage and addressing scheme known as URL indicate the location of files on the web. First JavaScript, second World Wide Web, third SQL, fourth string. The correct answer is second World Wide Web. Next, the www is made up of the set of interconnected dash that are linked together over the internet. First electronic documents, second web pages, third files, fourth all of these. The correct answer is second web pages. Next, what is a website? First, a place from where we can get information in documents and files. Second, a site that is owned by any particular company. Third, a location on the World Wide Web. Fourth, a place from where we can access internet. And fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is third, a location on the World Wide Web. Next, a website address is a unique name that identifies a specific dash on the web. First, web browser, second website, third PDA, and fourth link, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second website. Next, a or n dash appearing on a web page opens another document when clicked. First anchor, second URL, third hyperlink, fourth reference, fifth heading. The correct answer is third hyperlink. Next, a reference to data that a reader can directly follow by selecting or hovering is first hypertext, second hyperlink, third hypermedia, fourth hypermarkup. The correct answer is second hyperlink. Next, a website is a collection of first graphics, second programs, third algorithms, fourth web pages, fifth charts. The correct answer is fourth web pages. Next, dash is a collection of web pages, and dash is the very first page that we see on opening of a website. First home page or web page, and second website or home page, third, web page or home page. Fourth, web page or website. And fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is website or home page. यानी website is a collection of web pages, and home page is the very first page that we seen on opening of a website. And next question. A browser is a first tool for creating a database. Second, software program is to web pages on the internet. Third, printing device. Fourth, software program to delete a folder. And fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, software program to view web pages on the internet. Next question. Conference, Netscape, net meeting, Internet Explorer enables. Choose the option that best describe. First, sharing voice on the net. Second, live textual conferencing. Third, live audio conferencing. Fourth, live real time conferencing. And fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is fourth, live real time conferencing. Next question. To view information on the web, you must have a first, cable modem. Second, web browser. Third, domain name server. Fourth, hypertext viewer. And fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, web browser. Next, DAS is a software program used to view web pages. First, site. Second, host. Third, link. Fourth, browser. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, browser. Next question. Which of the following is used to browse and search for information on the internet? First, Eudora. Second, Netscape. Third, FTP. Fourth, Telnet. The correct answer is second, Netscape. Next question. The dash which contains billions of documents called web pages is one of the more popular services on the internet. First, web server. Second, telnet. Third, web. Fourth, collection. And fifth, none of these. The correct answer is first, web server. Next, what is URL? First, a computer software program. Second, a type of programming object. Third, the address of a document or a page on the World Wide Web. Fourth, an acronym for unlimited resources for learning. Fifth, a piece of hardware. The correct answer is third, yani the address of a document or page on the World Wide Web. Next question. Which of the following is used by the browser to connect to the location of the internet resources? First, linkers. Second, protocol. Third, cable. Fourth, URL. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is fourth, URL. Next, an absolute dash contains the complete address of a file on the internet. First, JavaScript. Second, URL. Third, SQL. Fourth, string. The correct answer is second, URL. Next, which of the following must be contained in a URL? First, a protocol identifier. Second, the letters www. Third, the unique registered domain name. Fourth, www and the unique registered domain name. And fifth, a protocol identifier www and the unique registered domain name. The correct answer is fifth, yani a protocol identifier www and the unique registered domain name. Next question. URL identifies the location of a specific web page on the internet. Here, URL stands for first, uniform read locator. Second, uniform resource locator. And third, Unicode research location. Fourth, United Research Locator. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is second, uniform resource locator. Next, which among the following term means refers to web address of a page? First, SMTP. Second, IP. Third, HTTP. Fourth, URL. Fifth, MAC. The correct answer is fourth, URL. Next, the last three letters of the domain name describes the type of first organization domain name, second connectivity, third server, fourth protocol. The correct answer is first organization यानी domain name. Next, educational situation. An educational institution would generally have the following in its domain name: first .org, second .edu, third .inst, fourth .com, fifth .scs. The correct answer is second .edu. The correct answer is second .edu. Next question. Which of the following domains is used by profit business? First, .com, second, .edu, third, .mil, fourth, .net, fifth, .org. The correct answer is first, .com. Next, specialized programs that assist users in locating information on the web are called: first, information engines, second, locator engines, third, web browsers, fourth, resource locators, fifth, search engines. The correct answer is fifth, search engines. Next, which of the following forms a part of a search engine? First, spiders of web crawlers, second, indexing software, third, search algorithms, fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is first, spider of web crawlers. Next, which among the following is a search engine? First, Internet Explorer, second, Flash, third, Google, fourth, Firefox. The correct answer is third, Google. Next, a dash is the term used when a search engine returns a web page that matches the search criteria. First, blog, second, hit, third, link, fourth, view, fifth, success. The correct answer is second, hit. Next, which is not the feature of internet? First, email, second, newspapers, third, chat, fourth, designing. The correct answer is fourth, designing. Next, which among the following is an area of email that is short description of the message? First, subject, second, CC, third, BCC, fourth, attachment, fifth, spam. The correct answer is first, subject. Next, which of the following is always a part of email address? First, period, dot, second, at sign, earth rate, third, space, fourth, underscore, fifth, angular bracket. The correct answer is second, at sign yani earth rate. Next, an email attachment is referred to as first, the body of the email, second, the address of the sender, third, a document that is sent with an email, fourth, the address of the receiver, fifth, any document that can be attached and sent with an email. The correct answer is fifth, any document that can be attached and sent with an email. Next question. Which one of the following is not an email service provider? First, Hotmail, second, Gmail, third, Bing, fourth, Yahoo Mail, fifth, Outlook. The correct answer is third, Bing. Next, which of the following fields of an email hides the identity of the recipients? First, to, second, from, third, CC, fourth, BCC. The correct answer is fourth, BCC. Next, sending an email is similar to: first, writing a letter, second, drawing a picture, third, talking on a phone, fourth, sending a package, fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is first, writing a letter. Next, junk email is also called first crap, second is spoop, third snipper script, fourth spool, fifth spam. The correct answer is fifth spam. Next, what can possible be the drawback of emails? First, emails require being physically delivered to the user. Second, emails infect a computer. Third, emails are very expensive to transmit. Fourth, emails are slow to load. Fifth, people don't check emails regularly. The correct answer is second, emails infect a computer. Next, which of the following is a valid email address? First, name, website, earthred info, earthred ed. Second, name dot earth website earthred info dot in. Third, name dot earthred website dot info dot com. Third, website dot name earthred website.com. And fifth, website earthredinfo.com. The correct answer is third, name earthred website info.com. Next question. And correct answer is website dot name dot website dot com. Fourth. Next question. What is included in an email address? First, domain name followed by user's name. Second, user's name followed by domain name. Third, user's name followed by postal address. Fourth, user's name followed by street address. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is 2, any user's name followed by domain name. Next question. Which of the following elements are used in an email to express emotions or feelings clearly? First, acronyms. Second, abbreviations. Third, rich text. Fourth, emoticons and smileys. The correct answer is fourth, emoticons or smileys. Next, if you receive an email from someone you don't know, what should you do? First, forward it to the police immediately. Second, delete it without opening it. Third, open it and respond to them saying you don't know them. Fourth, reply and ask them for their personal information. The correct answer is second, delete it without opening it. Next question. Which of the following cannot be part of an email address? First, period. Second, at a sign. Third, space. Fourth, underscore. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is third, space. Next, Gmail belongs to first, Great Mail. Second, Yahoo Mail. Third, Google Mail. Fourth, Gopher Mail. Fifth, none of these. The correct answer is third, Google Mail. Next, which of the following is not a term pertaining to email? First, PowerPoint. Second, inbox. Third, sender. Fourth, receiver. And fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is first, PowerPoint. Next, storage area for email messages is called first, folder. Second, file. Third, mailbox. Fourth, directory. The correct answer is third, mailbox. Next, an email address typically consists of a user ID followed by the dash sign and the domain name that manages the user's electronic post office box. First, earthread. Second, first, hedge. Second, earthread. Third and fourth, dollar. The correct answer is second, yani earthread. Next, video conferencing is used for first, talking each other. Second, communicating purpose. Third, live conversation. Fourth, all of the above. The correct answer is fourth, all of the above. Next, who is the founder of Facebook, which is currently the number 1 social networking website in India? First, Orkut, Bochu Kotem. Second, Mark Zuckerberg. Third, Bill Gates. Fourth, Martin Cooper. The correct answer is first. Correct answer is second, Mark Zuckerberg. Next question. What is the full form of EDI? First, electronic data interchange. Second, EG data interchange. Third, electronic data interconnect. Fourth, electronic data interconnect. Fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is first, electronic data interchange. Next question. The process of trading goods over the internet is known as first e-selling, selling and buying, second e-trading, third e-finance, fourth e-salesmanship, fifth e-commerce. The correct answer is second e-trading. Next question. Which of the following Next question. Which of the following is a group of servers that share work and may be able to back each other up if one server fails? First, channel bank, second, cluster, third, tiger team, fourth, serverless backup, fourth, fifth, logical unit. The correct answer is second, cluster. Next, N A or N allows you to access your email from anywhere. First, forum, second, web mail interface, third, message board, fourth, web log, fifth, EEPROM. The correct answer is second, web mail interface. Next question. Which of the following will be used if a sender of an email wants to bold, italic, etc. the text message? First, rich in signature, second, rich text, third, rich format, fourth, plain format, fifth, plain text. The correct answer is second, rich text. Next, a cookie. First, stores information about the user's web activity. Second, stores software developed by the user. Third, stores the password of the user. Fourth, store the commands used by the user. And fifth, none of the above. The correct answer is first, stores information about the user's web activity. Next question. Which one of the following is most commonly used to identify return visitors to a website? First, logged in visitors, second, digital certificates, third, electronic time stamping, fourth, cookies. The correct answer is fourth, cookies. Next question. Which of the following terms is associated with the internet email? First, plotter, second, slide presentation, third, bookmark, fourth, pie chart, fifth, Microsoft Excel. The correct answer is third, bookmark. Next, a stored link to a web page in order to have a quick and easy access to is later is called first WP link, second bookmark, third field, fourth length, fifth none of these. The correct answer is second, bookmark. Next, which of these is not a means of personal communication on the internet? First, chat, second, instant messaging, third, Insta notes, fourth, electronic mail, fifth, none of these. The correct answer is third, Insta notes. Next, a host on the internet finds another host by its first postal address, second, electronic address, third, IP address, fourth, name, fifth, none of these. The correct answer is third, IP address. दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम दिस टॉपिक। अगर वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें। थैंक यू।